Lawyers representing the family of 11-year-old Adriana Younge, whose untimely death has shocked the nation, expressed deep frustration following a highly anticipated meeting with senior members of the Guyana police force. Speaking outside the Commissioner's office on Wednesday, May 07, 2025, Attorney at Law Dexter Todd stated that the meeting yielded little clarity on the circumstances surrounding Adriana's death.
And therefore, the commissioner, being the head of the force, was not at this stage briefed enough to be able to engage and answer some questions that we and the families would have had. So the way of answering those questions is that we have been advised to put them in writing. Who really is heading this investigation? Who the investigators are in this investigation? No answer. What really are you investigating? Are you investigating? Have you ruled out homicide? Are you investigating homicide? No answer. Samples have been sent overseas for testing. What tests are you hoping to be conducted from those samples? No answer. When likely would those tests be available? No answer. Is there a preliminary report available of the autopsy which was done? That is not yet been provided, it's not available. So we have no answer. Would you oppose us, of course, having a review of the autopsy? Well, we don't have the report, so no answer. So in a nutshell, the police force, all that they were prepared to see from the commissioner's level is that they are doing a comprehensive investigation. But they're not at liberty at this stage to say what really the comprehensive investigation will entail.
Attorney at Law UC Anderson echoed these concerns.
We asked specifically whether or not the force is opposed to a second autopsy. We were told no answer where that is concerned as well. But generally, the thrust of today's meeting was that we need a follow-up meeting. I don't know how productive or how useful that would be in light of the urgency and the sensitivity of this matter. That is all I'm prepared to say at this point.
In contrast, the Guyana Police Force released a statement the same day, framing the meeting as a constructive step towards transparency and communication with the grieving family. The release emphasized the force's commitment to a thorough, impartial investigation and noted that some questions were deferred to preserve the integrity of ongoing inquiries. It confirmed that water samples from the pool where Adriana was found have been sent overseas for independent forensic analysis and that the investigation is being overseen by senior officials to ensure objectivity. The force also pointed out that information was withheld only to avoid compromising the investigation and reminded the public that Mr. Todd, having served the Guyana Police Force in various senior capacities, is well aware of the necessity of confidentiality in active investigations. Reporting for the LRTVS NewsWatch, Salochni Rupnarayan.